If you work in electronics manufacturing, you know that feeling, right? You see a misprinted PCB and you just know it came from a dirty stencil. It's frustrating, it's costly, and it brings the whole line to a screeching halt. Well, today, we're going to look at a piece of equipment that's designed to make those defects a distant memory by totally perfecting your SMT cleaning process. We're talking about the SME800.
So, here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll look at the core problem that every SMT line is up against. Then, we'll introduce the SME800 as the answer, and we'll pop the hood to see what makes it tick. After that, we'll get to the good stuff, the before and after results. And finally, we'll connect all the dots to show you how this machine can seriously optimize your entire production line.
All right, let's start with the SMT cleaning challenge. And let's be real, this isn't some small thing you deal with every now and then. It's a constant, daily battle against contamination that every single technician has to fight to keep quality and yield up.
And this, right here, this is the whole story in one picture. On the left, you've got a perfectly clean stencil. That's where quality begins. But on the right, that's what happens when contamination takes over. A misprinted PCB. And that's not just a reject. That's wasted time, wasted material, and a bottleneck for your entire line. This is exactly the problem we're here to solve. So how do we win this fight against contamination? Let's dive into the SME800. It's a single, super versatile machine that's been built from the ground up as a dedicated solution for all kinds of cleaning jobs. And here it is, the Southern Machinery SME800. Now, this thing is a specialist. It was engineered specifically to handle the tough, diverse, and often really stubborn cleaning challenges that you see on a modern SMT line. And its versatility, it's a total game changer. I mean, it's not just for your regular solder paste stencils. It can power through that nasty red glue, clean copper masks until they shine, save misprinted PCBs from the scrap pile, and it can even handle your big PCBAs and squeegees. This one machine really does streamline your whole cleaning process.
So what's the secret sauce here? How does it get these incredible results time after time? Well, let's take a look under the hood at the engineering that really drives this thing. We're talking about seriously high-quality parts that guarantee rock-solid reliability, shift after shift.
Now, this is really cool. Check out the core cleaning mechanism. It's so simple and smart. The stencil is what moves back and forth, but the spray rods and air knives, they stay put. This design gets rid of those flimsy, flexible hoses that always seem to bend, crack, and wear out. And for you, that just means less maintenance and a whole lot more uptime. You know, at the heart of the system, you've got components you can actually trust. A high-quality Nanfang electric pump and a world-renowned Ingersoll Rand air pump. This isn't about cutting corners. It's a clear commitment to quality from the inside out. So what does all that mean for you on the floor? It's simple. Using trusted, industrial-grade pumps means more uptime for the machine, less time you have to spend troubleshooting, and a clean that's just superior every single time you run it. And that commitment to durability, it's literally everywhere you look inside this machine. What you're seeing here isn't cheap plastic tubing that's just waiting to crack. Nope. This is the internal plumbing, and it's all built from tough SUS 304 stainless steel. So with this all-metal construction, you can just forget about annoying leaks or parts breaking down from chemicals and pressure. And hey, look at that last point. A powerful 4-kilowatt air blower is built right in. That thing slashes the drying time, getting your stencils back on the line, ready for production, super fast. Open up the control cabinet, and it's the exact same story of quality and reliability. It's clean, it's organized, and it's packed with nothing but top-tier electrical parts from brands you know and trust. This is how you build a stable and dependable control system that's going to last. I mean, this list reads like a dream team of industrial automation, right? You've got Mitsui for the PLC and inverter, Schneider for the relays, Omron for the power supply. This isn't just a parts list. It's a guarantee of stable, worry-free operation for the long haul. All right, so all this talk about top-notch engineering is great, but let's see what it actually means on the factory floor. It's time to look at the proof, the undeniable before and after results of the cleaning itself. Just look at that. The difference is absolutely night and day. On the left, you've got those fine pitch apertures totally clogged with solder paste. That's a printing disaster just waiting to happen. And on the right, after just one cycle in the SME800, they are perfectly clear. This is the kind of clean you need for high-yield production. And it's not just solder paste. Even that stubborn, hard-to-clean red glue on a copper mask is no match for this machine.
The picture on the left shows that tough, caked-on residue, and the one on the right is absolutely pristine. I mean, the pictures speak for themselves. This is real proof of the machine's cleaning power.
So, we've seen the quality parts, we've seen the incredible results, but what does this all add up to? What does it mean for your daily output and your bottom line? Let's connect the dots and talk about how the SME800 actually optimizes your production line and gives you real, tangible wins.
Let's look at the numbers because they tell a really powerful story. A full clean and dry cycle in just 12 to 15 minutes. That means your stencils get back to the printer fast, with almost no delay. It handles big stencils up to 750 by 750 millimeters, so you know it's going to be compatible with pretty much any line out there. And with drying temps that can hit 90 degrees Celsius, your stencils come out bone dry and ready to print every time.
So here's the bottom line. What this all really boils down to: faster cleaning cycles. That directly boosts your whole line's speed. Consistently clean stencils, that means you're going to slash print defects and rework. And reliable components, that means less downtime and fewer calls to maintenance. It all adds up to a huge positive impact on your overall equipment effectiveness, your OEE.
So, are you ready to stop letting stencil cleaning be a bottleneck in your production? Visit smthelp.com to see how the SME800 can really optimize your specific operation. Thanks for checking this out.